What's the point? You can just shoot me in the head, right?
Ring security video captures the frightening moment a machete-wielding man tries to break into a Louisiana home, all while wearing a Mickey Mouse t-shirt. This as he apologizes to the homeowner, saying he thought his girl was inside.
I'm sorry, man. I thought my girl was in your house.
Video from Mandeville, Louisiana shows what happened at about 7:30 a.m. on May 22nd. Officials say a man identified as Derrin Cavalier approached a home armed with a machete, wrench, and screwdriver. Video captures Cavalier looking around near the front door, later stepping off the porch, swinging the machete by his side.
Is that you?
When Cavalier walks back into frame, he calls out for the people inside the home.
Is that you? Talk to me.
Eventually, Cavalier begins ramming his shoulder into the front door. After that, he references being shot in the head and continues swinging the machete in the air.
What's the point? You can just shoot me in the head, right?
That's when the homeowner finally yells out, and Cavalier explains why he's there.
I'm sorry, man. I thought my girl was in your house.
The homeowner yells at Cavalier again, and he walks off. Cavalier was arrested and booked into jail. He now faces an aggravated attempted burglary charge. Reporting for Law&Crime Network, I'm Gillespie.